All right, how to replace an air filter in a Toyota Highlander. We're gonna open the glove box. So we open the glove compartment on the right side here. There's a little lever here for this valve to make it open and close smoother. What we're gonna do, we're gonna squeeze it with our fingers, and we're just gonna get this little lever off. All right, now we can squeeze on both ends of the compartment, and it should come off like that. We can just put it down. We're gonna reach up in here, and we're gonna pull on these tabs, and that's gonna open up to our little panel here. We're gonna squeeze it on both ends, and this little cover should remove. It says up. All right, and we can pull our filter out. We get our new Toyota filter. We looked at, it says arrow up. I'm gonna keep it positioned like that. We're gonna insert it into the slot here. Arrow up. Push that. Push that. All right, we're installing the glove box. We're gonna make sure we align these 4 kind of loops into the little 4 slots here with the little openings. We have that. We're gonna squeeze in, have it be here. And of course, on the right side, we will not forget to reconnect our little lever here. Slide it over and push it like that. And now we're done. You can close the glove compartment.